as a researcher, so we will feel very lazy. Sometimes we will be very bored to type something. For example, if you want to write a literature review or if you want to write an article, so we have to sit and write, right? But type, we have to sit and type, so that will be very hard for us to do that. So how to minimize that? Like, instead of typing, we can talk. Okay, if we talk, it will be automatically typed in the Google Docs. So that is what I'm going to tell you. So this is your browser. Once you open the Google Chrome, you can see this browser. Here you can see 9 dots, right? That will show up the Google Apps. Click here and then just scroll down. You can see Google Docs. Click this Google Docs. So it will open up the Google Docs. So click a new blank sheet. Okay. So once you click the new blank sheet, you can see that a Google Docs appear here. Okay, you can name this Google Doc either if you're going to type any article, so you can type it here like an article 1, or you can name it. Or else if you are going to record the literature review, so in the previous videos, like I have discussed, like how to record the literature reviews properly. So whenever you are supposed to submit your article, it'll be easy for you to just copy those content and paste it in here. Okay, that is, you are going to already after completing your literature review, you have to rephrase, you have to write it in your own words and keep it in a different document, so whenever you need it, you can just use that. Okay, so that is what we have discussed. So whatever you want to do, like whatever you want to type, you can simply type here and place the cursor on the document, and if you go to the tools, you can see the voice typing option. So here, this is a very interesting thing which we are going to try here. So click on the voice typing option, and once you click here, it will ask you, it will show this pop up. Okay, so here you have to click to speak. Okay, you have to click. So before this, you have to enable the microphone. So if you click on the padlock, okay, so this is a lock. If you click on the padlock here, the microphone will be disabled, so you have to enable it first. Okay, for in few web browsers, it will ask you to enable the permission. So once if you click enable this and come back and click here, just you can just go and click here to talk. Okay, just click reload. Once you have enabled it, you can simply reload it, and then again it will show up. Okay, so go to the tools and click here voice typing. So click here to speak now. Data mining is a process of extracting and discovering patterns in large sets. So here you can see that whatever I'm talking, it is converting it into the text. Okay. So the only thing is you have to little bit properly speak. Okay, if you like, you have to either slowly speak or else you have to speak in a proper accent. So that is the only thing. Or else wherever, if you feel if it is not properly written, you can simply delete and rewrite it. But because see, only few places, no, you can simply delete and rephrase it. Or else if it is fine, you can go ahead with that. Okay, so once it is all done, you can simply stop this where the conversion will be stopped. Okay, now I'm going to show you. I'm going to just simply talk about some that is, I'm going to talk a paragraph and see how it is converting. Okay, so let us see here. I'm going to record and then I'm going to talk about it. Data mining is a process of extracting and discovering patterns in large data sets, involving methods at the intersection of machines. Okay, so it is clearly written, right? So this you can, after completing your thing, whatever you want to record, no, you can After completing it, you can fix the headlines like headings, title and everything, and you can go ahead with that. Okay, so few may have some doubt like, okay, so if I want to record in English, sorry, if I want to record in Tamil, or if I want to, or else after recording it in English, if I want to convert it into some other language. So here you have various language. If you click here, you have various language. Okay, you can just go and select the language, and you can talk. Okay, if you want to talk in Tamil or if you want to talk in English, so you can just select it and talk. That will be recorded here properly. So I think this will be very exciting for you, and definitely it will reduce your time to type and do it. Okay, you can simply sit and talk. Fine, great. I hope this video helps you in your research, and even in any lecture. If you want to take any lecture, that is a notes, whatever it may be, it will be very easy for you to do it. This option is available almost in all the apps. Like if you take Google Sheet or Google like Google Slides, you can see. Okay, so enjoy this feature and comment if you have any doubts. I'll be very happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.